Hey guys, hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. In this video I'll be setting up my workstation. I'm going to fetch my desk finally, and it's so cool because I registered and I got my material for my modules, so I have to start studying. So yeah, and in this clip you see I have a board already. I have my vision board and a board for quarter 1 where I have things that I need to do, and an accomplished place where when I'm done I'll put this on the side, and then underneath there's a realistic reward. Yeah, and then I have my affirmations, and I got a drill, so I was able to fix my TV stand and my couches. So if this table also needs like a handy woman, she's over here. At this point I should call myself King the Brand because I'm the man of the house. 1, 2, yabo. I drill for 500 only. I'm kidding. Let's go fetch the table, guys.
So I'm at Dane Fern Square. I am at Dane Fern. I don't know how to pronounce Dane Fern Square, and I thought I'd get a mouse because I'm lazy to go to Fourways Mall. But Fourways Mall is closer to Decophone, so I don't have a mouse. So I use the one from work, but sometimes I forget it at home. Sometimes I forget it at the office when I'm at home. So I just need one for home. So I'll go to Decophone and then go to Fourways Mall. Actually, let me check with Google Maps which one is further. Then I start there and then I go to the next one and then I go back home. For some reason I thought there was incredible connections here. I really thought I saw one. But okay. So where did I see incredible connections? Anyway, let me head out. So I just got my desk, but it looks so heavy. I feel like I need someone to carry it for me, but I wonder if I can leave the other way. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, so I just got back and just carried the thing, and it's so heavy. Tell me why a guy asked me, "Ukoti, do you need help?" And I said no, because that shit was heavy. Anyway, I did find them. Look, and it made me dirty. Oh, and I'm planning to go to Springs. Anyway, I did get a mouse, 400 rand. Has a wire, which is good because that means my daughter won't be grabbing it. And then it gets lost. So why do I say no? Have the best life. Anyway, let me just eat, and then I left when there was load shedding, so I'm back. It's 12:30 now. Let me just make some food, try to assemble it, make it look nice, and then I leave.
So this is how my TV stand looks now. This is how it looks. I thought these look alike, but it seems like this is like some off-white. So all these papers that were on that desk, I put them there. I think it looks so cute. I think I'll look forward to studying and working here. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute.
Guys, so I'm heading to Springs. I love my workstation. I just need I don't think a gaming chair would work. I think I'll get a mesh chair. That's in I don't know how many months, or if I really load, but definitely not this year, because there are some things that I need to do and save up for. So I'm actually done with my place right now. I was thinking of a coffee table and side pit, but I can live without those things for now. So yeah, that's all for the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of the desk. I think you can see by my face that I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I can't wait to, and yeah, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.